case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
A landmark case, United States v. Scheffer, unfolded before the Supreme Court of the United States in 1998, where the constitutionality of excluding polygraph evidence in criminal trials came under intense scrutiny. The matter challenged was the Military Rule of Evidence 707, which rejects this form of evidence due to questions concerning its reliability. At the heart of the case was Airman Edward Scheffer, stationed at March Air Force Base, who found himself entangled in a criminal investigation regarding drug use. Scheffer agreed to participate as an informant for drug investigations and consequently underwent both a urine test and a polygraph examination. The discrepancy between his failed urine test, which found traces of methamphetamine, and his polygraph test, which indicated no deception when Scheffer denied drug use, sparked a legal conflict. In an initial bid to prove his innocence, Scheffer planned to introduce his polygraph evidence. The military court, however, denied the admission of such evidence. The ruling was soon challenged and temporarily reversed in an appeal scenario. However, the pendulum ultimately swung back toward the initial ruling when the case reached the Supreme Court. In a critical judgment, the Supreme Court upheld Military Rule of Evidence 707, which bans polygraph evidence in court, deeming it constitutional. The court's ruling emphasized that the purpose of this prohibition is to ensure fair trials by permitting only reliable evidence. In this context, polygraphs were discarded as a viable form of evidence due to their questionable reliability. The ruling was significant, not just for Scheffer's case, but for its impact on the broader landscape of legal proceedings and norms. Reinforcing the critical function of the jury in making credibility determinations, it bolstered the integrity of the evidence introduced in courtrooms and set a precedent for future cases.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.